So I've got the bits tidied up, painted up. Is it the best quality? Probably not. I could get it powder coated, but for something that you're not even going to see because heat shielding's going to be on, I thought just giving it a quick sand and a spray and that'll fix that no problem. So we can get this made back up and fitted. Drive shafts came up nice as well. There were some bits that just a bit ropey, but there's not a lot I can do with it. Just carry on fitting some bits up.
So I thought I'd just start off by putting together the gear cable bracket, what goes on top of the gearbox. After I got all the gearbox bracket together, I started taking off the masking tape on the drive shafts, which actually did turn out better than what I thought. After I got all the gear cables connected, I then moved on to putting this front surround piece on the car, which had my fuel pressure regulator attached to it. Which was going on quite easy until I found out that I accidentally didn't put the rad into its holders properly at the top, as you will see in this clip. Which then meant I had to take the whole bracket off again to push the rad back and put it in the clip properly, as nothing was lining up with it out. we've got the bar fixed all now. Whatever you call this bar, front frame bit. It's just held on by 4 bolts. One there, one in there, one there, and one there. Definitely bringing the car together now. This wire here, with all the cables in, just clips in into like these little clips here. Just make sure they're all clipped in, and then push the grey tab as a whole the other side onto this subframe. You just push it onto. After I tightened all the bolts up and clipped the wires in, I then installed my fuel flex sensor, which mounts just on top of my fan bracket. After I connected up the fuel flex sensor, I then moved on to connecting up the fuel pressure regulator just so it gets the fuel system side all done. I was thinking about changing the colour of my coolant tank, but the sight glass that goes on the front is actually quite hard to put on with the thread, so I decided to leave it in the candy red that I had it done in previously.
Before I connect these coolant lines back up, I think I'm just going to give them a bit of clean up because they are pretty dirty. They've still got all the oil and everything that went over it around here, so I'll give these a tidy up.
After getting all the coolant lines fitted, I then moved on to my oil cooler. I am going to have the proper clips for these lines. As you can see in the video, I've just got cable ties holding them together at the moment, but they will be changed to the correct aluminium clips to hold them together. What I'm fitting now is my oil lines will go to my turbo. I have my oil feed and my oil return. First one I'm connecting up is the oil feed to my turbo, which has a inline filter that this is going onto, just to protect the turbo from any debris, such as what we had in the oil before. Next go on my oil return line. These are my oil lines to my catch can that go on the top of your oil filter housing. I'm just fitting them temporary for now, as they will have to be altered when I fit the ECU as they go around the front of the ECU. That's all the oil catch can lines on now. Catch can will sit on this mount here and go to that. I might change the colour of this, I don't know yet. So I'm going to sort the wiring out next, which is, this is my electric box, so basically the battery's in the boot, it runs that wire there, brings the power from the back to the front, which then controls all of the ECU that comes off here. So I reckon I'm going to get this wiring sorted out, just because all this stuff's a bit of a mess at the minute. So I'm gonna tidy all this up and get that fitted. When I was taking this ECU apart, I knew it was not going to be easy putting it back together, as there just seems to be so many wires going to different things that if any was to pull out, it would take me ages to figure out where it went back in. So I was trying to be extra careful with this, which is hard when you've got it in quite an awkward position. But after a really tight squeeze of everything fitting into this one little ECU holder, it all did fit in and go to plan. Next up, I'm connecting the boost sensor that goes into the Syvecs. So basically on my toucan display, I can see what boost I'm running through the ECU.
So guys, as you can see, we made some good progress today. We've got pretty much, I'd say 80% of the car done. So it's only like little bits now really. And the subframe that just bolts up. So that's simple things to do. But basically I'm just trying to get everything in the engine bay done and just tightened up. I can put the oil in there and things like that and just check for leaks. I'm really happy with the progress we made, and that, like I said, I'm going through and tidying up things that maybe I didn't get to tidy up on the first time I built it. So, which is quite good, because it's obviously, if you can bring it back better, then it's worth doing. In the next video, I reckon I'm probably going to get the inlet on, and I might get the turbo marked up with the boost pipe as well. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with the boost pipe yet, or the catch can, because I might get them painted and might put them a different colour. And yeah, I might just fit that up a bit better. There's still obviously plenty to do. There is a couple of interior bits I need to do as well before we do a first start or anything like that, just with the wiring and things. But you guys will see that later on. We're a little way off that yet. Thank you so much for watching. If you've stayed long for the little series I'm doing of building it back up. Like I said, it just gives you a better insight what goes into something like this. In the engine bay wise anyway. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.